Over my last several videos, I've emphasized that military veterans transitioning out of the military must get comfortable talking about themselves and how to tell your story. Your story articulates the value you bring to a prospective employer if it's done right. This is Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach, and this transition tip video is Knowing How to Tell Your Story, Part 3. So I've had two previous videos that talks about how to tell your story. In this video, I want to introduce you to the Golden Circle, a concept that was developed by Simon Sinek in his book, Start With Why Great Leaders Inspire Everyone to Take Action. Now, that book is a tremendous book, and I can't summarize all the key things in that book, in just a very few minutes. But the main premise of the book is that we must start from the inside out, and basically with our why statement. So when you're talking to different people or talking to a prospective employer, you start with your why. Your why is your purpose and why you do certain things the way you do it. So along with the why is the how and the what, how you do it and what you do. So whenever you're in an interview and the employer asks you, tell me about yourself. Well, you want to start with your why. Let me give you a couple examples. Example one, as a teammate, I work with others to help empower them to maximize their potential. How about on this one? As a leader, I inspire others so they can lead or so that they can do their job and maximize their effort each and every day. So again, you see those why statements really, in my opinion, have an impact on the person that you're talking to or interviewing with. And it inspires them to want to know more about you and ask questions that will help them. So as you look at how to tell your story, start with why. If you'd like to have additional information about the Golden Circle and the why concept, please email me and I'll send you information directly to you. My contact information is at the end of this video. And as always remember, you don't have to travel alone. Reach out. I can help. I'm Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach.